Fellas, we can be that mistake. Let's do this. Hey, everybody.
Hey, guys.
We're Brace of Sec 21.
Yes, we are.
I'm Spencer.
And I'm Daniel.
We're coming at you today with some Rally.
Rally.
This is Rally 1, the best scenes of Rally.
Pure sound.
Yes. It's been requested under a few of the motorsports videos that we've done.
Yeah, it has.
The Isle of Man TT, we've done
the sidecar.
The sidecar one. That was intense.
That, yeah.
Some Australian V8 supercars. That was also intense.
Yeah, just intensity.
Yeah, so definitely some Rally. We got to get some in there.
Yeah.
Again, I'm looking at this as from the perspective of a NASCAR fan because that is the motorsport I grew up with.
And I'm looking at this as the person watching a car video on YouTube.
Yep.
So absolutely zero knowledge of how shit works besides having a vehicle of my own. And he is the brains of this. He knows.
You're generous. You're very generous. Man. But anyway, let's get into this.
Let's do it, man. I'm excited.
Wow.
There's no guardrail except that one. What?
Holy crap. This is some extreme off-roading here.
like I've done that maybe by accident once.
Right.
And at like 20 miles an hour.
Right. This is like a combination of like dirt tracking.
Drifting and racing.
And racing, yes.
What?
Holy
shit!
What the hell? That is dangerous.
I hope he's alive.
I hope so. Hopefully they'll play it.
Täällä Lahden historic-rallissakin nähtiin.
I don't understand how
Holy shit!
What? Oh my god!
Why? What the?
You got
why?
People on the track?
Why?
Why?
Oh my god!
I'm assuming for this
I'm assuming this is in 1998, where I guess lives didn't matter. Like, what the hell?
Yeah, no lives matter then.
Jesus, why are you on a course and it's a?
Like, what the?
Did they double book like a festival and a race?
It's like,
and they're like, oh,
but we had the space first. We want to see who's in '98? Spice Girls.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden, fucking car flies over the hill.
Oh god.
Oh my god. I hope no one dies.
Oh.
What?
Y'all are dumb.
What? Oh, dude.
Get off the track.
I would have. First of all, I would if it was that close, I would quit any profession, walk away, and never talk about this moment ever again. Because that right there was like the luckiest moment in this guy's life, probably ever.
Yeah, he used up his get out of
death
free card.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh. Yo.
So this is like with crashes.
Yes.
Holy crap, man.
Is this exclusively crashes? I mean, there's like some hairy ass turns.
Yeah.
But oh my god.
Oh, dude. What the last thing this man sees is someone waving him like this. And then he just
That's a bad way to go out, man. Oh. That's some bad luck.
What is he gonna say? Get off my car. He's like, all right, dude, bye.
Oh,
Good
wow.
God, man.
That's some skills.
It's into, long 6 right.
What?
Now this
Why?
is crazy. 30k, long 3 right, minus. 6 left.
Look at
300.
I can't even see the finish board. That should never have been allowed to run.
Why are these people in the road?
Oh my god.
Get the
dude.
fuck out of the road.
Oh my god, this is like anxiety through the roof, man.
Yeah. I mean, this is copyright 1998, so hopefully, like, they've
Shit,
had some
man.
common sense and, like, at least put up some fucking guardrails.
Oh my god, there's no way they're still like this.
It can't be. It can't be.
Oh my god. Why?
Get out!
Do they understand that this is an automobile? Like,
I
it's
guess
a
not.
car, and it's going the max that it can.
Like, are these countries that are just have so terrible living conditions that this is a wish for them? That they have nothing else to look forward to? Are they suicidal? That's what I'm asking.
Like, there's something called space.
Yeah.
Give it to especially drivers.
Yeah, that takes some skill.
You will live longer. Don't get close to a car race.
Don't do it. At least go to something that has, guardrails.
Or at least a hay bale.
A hay bale.
Give them some hay bales.
Yeah, a catch fence. NASCAR, IndyCar, all have catch fences.
Yeah,
In
but
Formula One, all have catch fences.
this looks like it's in a part of the country where that's not a thing.
What country?
I'm looking at very, very Eastern Europe, almost possibly Middle East.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments.
Like,
Let's keep watching.
or Russia.
Oh,
Fuck. Oh.
oh. Whoa.
That's like Final Destination shit.
Yes, yes. There is no room for error in this. Like, you wipe out, you're fucking gone.
Like, same thing with that guy. Same thing. I would quit racing after this and be like, hey,
Ugh.
remember that time I slid out of control and hit something, and then I looked to my right, fucking tree.
Yeah. That's why,
Right there.
that's why I do iRacing. That way, there's little risk.
Oh. Oh, that works too.
Yeah. Finally, a guardrail.
Oh, shit. Especially on the dirt.
Yeah, dude.
Like, especially in the dirt where it's just, like, so, like, you don't know where that shit's gonna go.
Right, right. This reminds me, a couple of those dirt scenes remind me of the old Daytona road course, which preceded the Daytona Speedway. They actually would race half on the highway and half on the beach.
Huh.
And there's like 2-mile length straightaways. One was the highway and one was the beach. And you would have to brake really hard and like drift around the corner to go down the other straightaway.
That's
This
kinda
is what
cool.
that's just reminding me of.
I just feel like once you involve loose dirt, that's elite level of training.
Oh, yeah.
Or really knowing your vehicle.
Right. And the same amount of danger because,
Yeah.
in the Daytona Beach thing, there's no guardrail. You crash, you're going into the ocean.
Yeah.
And that's an awkward call to your insurance company.
Yeah. Hey, what happened? Oh, I crashed into the ocean. You're driving wrong, bro.
Yes.
Wow. that snow?
Yeah, that's snow.
Absolute right, 150, unseen easy right. 50, easy left. 50 grid, 100 roll. Dear God.
Oh!
I bet this man never chopped down a tree again.
No,
He's like, hey,
no.
remember that time that tree saved my life?
Yeah, trees are good.
Oh,
Oh my god.
what awesome drifting, man. What the fuck?
Oh! I mentioned crashing into the ocean and that this son of a bitch crashes into a lake.
It looked like his tires weren't even turned. He was
Yeah.
like, why finish the race when I could just go straight?
Yeah.
I like this guy's style. I hope he's okay.
It's like, fuck this shit, I'm
Yeah,
out.
like, and yeah. Exit race, stage right.
Yes.
This is terrifying. This fucking.
Oh my god.
What? Did you save it?
I think. Oh, he
Oh.
saved it.
What? Wait, what?
The dude
That
saved
dude
it.
went on his side.
Yeah.
Correct? He just went, but like, I would shit my pants.
Yeah, that's a skill I learned in dirt racing and iRacing. Like, is you gotta when you're going in the corner, like you're going this way, you gotta turn right and then left to kind of drift it through the corner.
So you have to. All right.
Yeah,
got it.
you have
You're
to-
not turning left. You have to. You have to
Right. You have to
jerk
get
it
to slide.
right to
jerk
slide.
it right to go left.
Yep. Got
Yeah.
it.
Hold on.
That's what it was.
yeah.
Woo! Man, no thank you.
Oh my god.
I hope those guys didn't wash their cars. Oh!
That's another.
I've never seen that.
That's another awkward call to your insurance company.
I was making a left turn and both tires popped off. Like, bullshit. Like, no, trust me.
Trust me, it happened.
I've never seen that at the rear of a car.
Me neither. And I hope to never see that.
I don't know what happened. Oh. You gotta be fucking crazy to be lining the road.
Yeah, dude. What more can I say? I mean, we got like,
I don't know
2.5
what takes.
minutes.
I don't know what it takes, or what takes more adrenaline junkieism, driving, or being a spectator in one of those things. I don't know.
Ugh, that means a lot coming from you. How
Man,
much anxiety this is giving you.
This is crazy, man.
Oh god.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh, and he's got his hand out the door.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh,
Anxiety.
that is crazy. Like, how do you come back from that?
You gotta know. You gotta prepare for that. Like, if the course you're on has water element in
Yeah.
it, you have to train for that
Yeah, you have
specific
to.
thing. Man.
Yeah, dude.
Bueno,
What? Turkey.
espectacular. Este es Alexander Saluk.
Consider the car parked
Yep.
in the garage.
Imagine that's someone's living room. They're like, they're just watching, I don't know,
NASCAR.
or NASCAR.
No, they're watching like some sort of racing video, and all of a sudden,
Yeah.
fucking car comes in.
Well, what if that was the live video, and then it was like, oh,
No.
it's in the car. It's in our living room now.
like, oh, well,
hey,
shit.
honey, we're on TV.
Yeah, like oh my god, it looks like he parked the car in the garage. That's a quicker way to do it.
Hey, you guys okay in there?
Yeah,
Need
like
some-
yeah,
You need anything?
Yeah.
Snacks, condoms.
yeah, beer. Yeah. Oh my shit! Did the farmer not know? There's a okay, so all right, so this is what I'm seeing from all these videos. This is probably a race against the clock, correct?
Yeah. It's race against the clock.
Not against people
Right.
or other drivers.
Right.
So
No,
best time wins.
Right. It's no passing. Like,
Got it.
yeah. It's whoever has the best time wins.
What the hell was that tractor doing?
Like, it's time to harvest my potatoes. So I
I
gotta
can make some vodka.
vodka and damn these. I don't know where I'm going with that.
It's cool. Oh my god, this doesn't even look real.
It's like out of a video.
Yeah. What? Whoa. Pretty sure that car had wings that would just taken off.
Yeah.
It's very smooth drifting in this, man.
Oh yeah.
These guys know what the hell they're doing.
Yep. Oh god. God. That's like something out of a video game right there.
Dude. I hope all these guys are alive.
I hope so.
I hope we did not just witness the passing of someone.
Wow.
Yeah. F yeah. F yeah. Whoo, man.
Boy, that was something to get your heart pumping right there.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Holy shit.
Man, to whoever made this compilation, to themselves.
Jesus.
Yeah. I think we're gonna need a little bit to recover from that. But
Good God, man.
let's wrap the video up and let us recover from that.
Yeah.
Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and sharing with your friends.
Definitely share, guys.
Until next time, wash your hands, scrub your toes, watch where you're going, blow your nose, and embrace the
Suck.
yes.
Got it in. I was like, no, don't do it. I can't say what I usually say.
Yes. See y'all in the next video.
Later.